morning. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Perfect. Yes, guys, welcome on back. And today we're going to get into a little auctiony. We're going to go through and look at some of the vehicles that are coming up for IAA this week. This is where I kind of scan through the app, aka the website, and I try to find stuff that I would like to possibly bid on. Maybe something that I can make some possible money on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it and see what we can find. All right, guys, welcome on in, and we're looking right at the jump. We have a 1997 Cadillac Catera. Now, this one is in Reno. Woo! Run and drive. Doesn't have any bid on it right now, but you got to love the check engine light and the brake light on, right? That's always a great sign. Ugh. 126,000 miles, so that's not a lot of mileage for this car. Huh. Well, definitely not my wheelhouse, not something I'm looking for. Altima, no. Focus, no. These are all this week, by the way. Corolla, no. Chrysler 300. Ouch. Yo, this thing's got bullet holes in it. Spare tires on it. Yo, bullet holes and spare tires, man. Look at that, man. Oh my god. Bullet holes and spare tires. Negative. Ooh, a Lincoln Continental. I love these cars, man. It's got the long light all the way across the back. Yeah. In case you didn't know, it's literally just a fucking Ford Thunderbird back in the day that they just turned into a Lincoln. It's hilarious. Yeah. Runs and drives, 151,000 miles. I guess if the suspension is sitting up. Does it have a buy it now? Oh, actual cash value is $500. That's what they think the car's worth. But the suspension's not sagging, so this might be one they got rid of. This might be one of the ones that didn't have an air ride suspension, though. I don't know, man. I'm looking for, like, something that's not too ridiculous that I could fix up and do another car giveaway on the channel. You know, something simple, man. I don't want to spend more than... I want to spend, like, $500 on the car and then put maybe, like, another $1,000 or $1,500 into it. And then we could give it away. A 07 Cobalt. Yeah, that's the ratchet Cobalt. 44,000 miles. It's a donation. That's kind of low miles for this car. Wow, the ECU is very easy to roll that back though too, so that could be fake. My man's beard is on 1,000 in this picture though. Oh man. Huh. I guess you guys can let me know what you guys think about that one. I know my dude Carlos, low 702 build, is probably like, oh, look at that Countryman. Ooh, it got hit in the back, though. See that dent in the rear? Oof. And it's got an oil light on? Oh, no. No, we good. Yeah. Engine damage. Primary damage is engine damage. Yep. Negative on that. Hell no. F-150 looks like it's just a regular work truck. 16 is clapped out, 30,000 miles. Yeah, it's a single cab. Not really. Not my thing, man. E-Class. E-Class. Newer body style, 2012. That's not a lot of miles. Oh, let me see what's up with this one. It's got the tow joint in it. not horrible. It's not horrible. Primary damage is unknown. Oof. It's definitely not a sight unseen car that you buy for sure. You definitely ain't doing that. Hell no. Yeah, no, that's a negative. The Acura RL, I'm good on that. Now this one right here, this might be it. Current bid's at $4,000. Tell me this is the diesel, man. It's got a buy it now price of 10 racks. Run and drive. Regular title. But it's got a rebuilt title. Okay. Airbags are intact. Collision. Where's the damn... Alright, it's the friggin' 6.0. Damn, man. Trying to find one of these in nice conditions with the 7.3 is almost impossible. So it got totaled for that, dude. Are you kidding me? That's the collision that totaled it? No. Come on, man. It runs. Let's hear it. Yeah, well, I'm going to add that one to my watch list. All right, well, we looked at a few, man. I just wanted to get an idea of a couple things that I could go take a look at. And that, I think we're going to have to go put hands on that excursion, and we'll do it tomorrow. So you guys might see that in an upcoming video here pretty soon, just to get that in. Volkswagen EOS. Hey, this one is the same. Wait a minute. Hey. Yeah, I needed to download those images. I needed one of these. Oh, shit. Oh, see, I almost run a red light and then it turns green right when I try to stop hard. Damn it. Anyways. This one right here, it could be mechanically effed. I wouldn't even care. Stationary, great. It doesn't run. It don't need to run. It doesn't have to run at all. As long as the roof works and the body looks good, like I could take the trunk lid off of the other one. I don't even got to paint it. It's the same color. And I could swap the damn motor right into this car, man. And voila, I could be done with the EOS. See? Look at this right here, man. Oh, man. Look at this. And the motor, and I could keep this motor because I'm sure there's probably some good parts or whatever on it. And if it's not running, who cares? I got a good engine and transmission and a whole nother EOS, man. Damn, that is it right there. Hell yes. Oh, well, look, you can consider the Volkswagen done. Let me get that. Look, the buy it now price is $1,000. Oh, man. All right, I got to sign into the business account. I'm buying this one. I mean, the other one, we bought the other one for $800 and it's all smashed, right? I could keep that other car for parts, panels and stuff, right? Maybe even a couple of interior parts here or there. But this car right here, if it's clean, I can mess around and just pull the motor and the trans, like one whole unit, just unplug everything, pull it, drop it in here, plug everything back up. Of course, I got to swap the ECU and stuff, but then I'm good. That Volkswagen EOS would be done. And for real, if that car is done and the convertible top and stuff works, that's a daily beater for me out here in Vegas. I can put the top down. Hell yeah, man. And these cars, there's a lot of them out here. I've seen a lot of them out here in Vegas. Look, it even has the same kind of dent right here over the rear fender. I would get the bodywork done on this because I know the motor and transmission that we have in the other one is so good. Damn. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I don't know, man. I think today's video is extremely fruitful. I did not expect to find a matching colored Volkswagen EOS. So I got two vehicles for sure that I need to go spend at least an hour on tomorrow. And that's that Ford Excursion and that Volkswagen EOS. Now, I was bidding on another EOS, which you guys saw in a previous video, but the insurance company hasn't accepted the bid. I've won that car twice. I'm done. But this one here has a buy it now of $1,000, and that's less than I was paying for the other one. Now, the other one did run and drive, and it just had a stuck top, but now it's all dusted and rained on, and it's F that car. This one right here, though, the motor can be completely shot. I would not care. $1,000. I got out. Now, the only thing is I'd have to haul the other Volkswagen EOS from North Carolina, which kind of sucks because I'm guessing that my cost on that's going to be like $1,000. We'll have to see. But I could haul the other car out, motor swap the two, right? And I probably could sell the remaining or scrap the remaining car and get back probably half of what I got into the rolling shell that I'd be buying right now. Let me know what you guys think about that idea. I think it's solid. I think it's something we could definitely do. And then I could say the EOS is done. So let me know what you guys think. Peeps.